My name is Daniel Couceiro and I'm a tropical biologist. I'm working with tiger moths. They are awesome and beautiful moths that can avoid predation from bats by jamming up their echolocation sounds. Here, I want to catalog each and every one of the thousands of different species of tiger moths that live in the Amazon. So every night, guests in Refugio Amazonas come with me and help me out to collect some specimens. In the past few months, we have cataloged 150 different species. And you know what? 5 of them turned out to be new. And we know that because we are working with the Guelph University in Canada. They are doing genetical analysis in order to catalog every single species in the world. So, think about it. Just a few meters away from a comfortable lodge, 5 lucky guests became Charles Darwin for one day. So, we invite you to come down for a visit, help us out, and get lucky. You might discover your own species. If you cannot make it, subscribe to our Species Discovery Service, and before you know it, you'll have shed light on a new tiger. Do you want to help make science happen? Visit www.wireamazon.com or email me. I will be here.